What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting announcement for the channel. One of the most common types of negative comments that I get is, dude, you talk, it's something like this, dude, you talk way too much. Can you please just shut up and show the knife? And initially I was like, okay, well, why are you here if you don't want to review? But then I realized this is, it's not like a consistent complaint, but there are people out there who really are not interested in the individual's opinion on the knife. They really just want to see the knife, whether it is because they're just browsing YouTube looking for knife stuff, or they've already purchased it and they're really just looking for affirmation. They enjoy somebody else, sort of handling it, turning it over. For whatever reason, they're not really interested in a long-winded review, right? And that's my style. My style is very long-winded. My videos are 15 to 20 minutes long, and I talk and I give my opinions, and I have people disagree with me, and for one reason or another. And so it hit me all at once. Why wouldn't I do a channel that's just dedicated to a silent overview? It would be really easy to do. It would take almost no effort. The videos would be, between 2 and 5 minutes long, probably focused around 3 minutes. The overviews would basically consist of me taking very slow up close shots of all the fine little details that people probably would like to see, but don't get to see oftentimes in my reviews because I'm doing stuff like this and talking really fast, and I can understand why that would be annoying to some people. There are people who subscribe to my channel specifically to hear me rant and rave without any structure and just give my opinions on the knife. But a lot of people don't like to just sit around and listen to that. A lot of people just like to enjoy the aesthetics of the knife. So I am actually going to be creating a sister channel called Silent Complex. And the logo for the channel will actually be the black and white knight helmet that my buddy at Endure88 created. This is also likely going to be the logo that I use when I finally decide to do some t-shirts. But in any case, that's going to be the logo. The idea behind this is not just to cater towards people who are not looking for a big, long-winded, opinionated review, but people who are looking for total, objectivity and just like, here's the object. Let's take a look at it. It won't be completely silent. I will probably try to include some music unless people decide to hate that, that they just hate that, but I'll probably just include some music, and if people don't like it, they can turn it down. That way, the people who come to my channel and go, hey, this is a cool knife, but I really don't like your voice, and I'm like, you can go watch that. And people who are like, I don't want to sit around and watch a lot of people say that there's no reason my video should be over 5 minutes. That's completely fine. There'll be another channel. I'm sure you're wondering, why wouldn't you just do these videos on your channel and then just include them in a playlist of silent overviews? Well, here's the problem. I already upload every single day, and I'm sure some people would get annoyed that some of my uploads were the exact same knife that I'm talking about that day, but it just is a silent upload. It would be confusing. So rather, I'm going to create another channel that people can choose to subscribe to if they want to. And that way, those of you who just, like my regular style, and you just want the notifications for this channel, you can say subscribe to me and nothing will change. But for those of you who'd like to just be subscribed to the other channel, you can do that, or people who want to be subscribed to both. Great, everybody's happy and people can enjoy what they want to enjoy. On top of that, this other channel will be a positive influence on this channel. It'll serve as a sort of funnel for people finding that channel, and then they can find out, oh, this guy actually does do full overviews where he talks a whole bunch. Then, they can come check out this channel if they want. And it'll be connected with my social media, and it'll of course still include the same Amazon affiliate links. That channel will be eventually another source of income, which directly benefits this channel. That was the idea there. I wanted to create sort of a win-win-win for everybody. So for a lot of people, you're gonna think this is weird. Like, you're gonna have two channels. That's okay. Like I said, you don't have to subscribe. You can just stay to this one. But I think a lot of people will be on board with it. Why are these knives laying out? Well, I have a whole bunch of really cool, interesting, pretty knives that I think would serve as great first videos for that channel. So the very first video that I'll do, the very first silent overview that I'll do will be the Jim Skelton Custom Hellraiser V2. Expect a very long and very close-up, detail-oriented overview with some nice calming music, and then we'll put all these up as well. By the time you're seeing this video, the channel will actually be live. So there is a link right down in the description where you can go to that channel and subscribe. I urge you, if this sounds good to you, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe so you can receive notifications for that channel if you like the idea of some silent overviews. But some or all of these videos will actually have already been uploaded. I'll try to make the difference in the thumbnails will essentially be that instead of the MC logo up here in the top left-hand corner of the thumbnail, it'll be the silent, I'll call it the Silent Night. Get it? Silent Night with a K. It'll be the Silent Night emblem up in the top left-hand corner. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is going to be something that I'm going to do from now on. I don't expect that channel to grow nearly as fast as this one, but it will be a partner or sister channel to this one from here on out. So every channel or every knife that you see from here forward on this channel will also have a silent overview with some nice calming music on my sister channel. Silent Complex is going to be the name of it. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're going to go over and subscribe. Leave a comment. I want to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, you're excited about this idea, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.